whatever is incurred to run the household and household payment of household bills, and the child's share in such a household will be half. Okay, maintenance is really the child's monthly living expenses, and people also want to know whether is there a calculator or is there a figure, that law tells me how much I can claim from my husband. It doesn't. So we go by, firstly, list the monthly expenses, and monthly expenses are, whatever the child needs each month, school fees, school-related expenses, enrichment classes, and the rest of the day-to-day kind of expenses that the child needs. The household expenses. So let's say, once the marriage breaks down, there's only two persons in the house, the mother and the child. So household expenses are whatever is incurred to run the household and household payment of household bills, and the child's share in such a household will be half. So half of the child's household expenses will be put together into the list of monthly expenses, and that will be considered as the child's expenses. So the parents have to co-pay the child's monthly expenses. And what do I mean by co-pay? If both parents work, and if the father earns 2/3 more than the mother, then he will be paying 2/3 of the child's monthly expenses. And I also want to say that the list of monthly expenses also must be reasonable. It can't be inflated. So the court will firstly look at the list of monthly expenses. They'll see whether that's fair and reasonable. Then thirdly, they will say, how do we do the division of co-payment? Yeah. If the mom doesn't work at all, then the father pays the monthly expenses 100%.